Hi YouTube. Today I'll be talking about a charging dock for ps4 controller, and it's from the brand Oivo, which I recently bought from Amazon for an amount of 1600 rupees. Well, it says that the power supply it supports is 5 volts by 1.5 ampere, and the charging time it takes around 2 hours on the same 5 volts and 1.5 ampere. It also has an LED indicator, and it has two pins wherein you can dock your two PlayStations simultaneously at the same time. Well, the reason for me to buy this charging dock was my PS4 controller, which I've been using it for the past 2 years, unfortunately has stopped charging via the mini USB port that we usually use to charge a PS4 controller. I had two options, either to get this serviced and get this port replaced, the mini USB port, or to buy a new PS4 controller, which would cost around 4 to 5,000 rupees on Amazon. Well, however, one of my friends suggested me to use the alternate port which is provided on your PS4 controller, which is at the bottom of the controller just below the power button. It is called the EXT port or the extension port, right beside the audio jack. Well, all you have to do is use this charging dock and dock your PS4 controller onto your docking station, and it starts charging your PS4 controller. You don't have to replace the mini USB port for that. You can start using your extension port for your charging. Now let us go ahead and unbox the charging dock which I received. Well, this is how it looks when you open. Let's see what you've got in this. You've got a stand and the docking station. This is how it looks. And here you have a charging cable. Well, again, it's a USB on the other end and a mini USB pin. Well, let's see how it fits in. We also get a manual dual charging dock for PS4 controller, and it says that DC of 5 volts and 2 ampere power supply. Well, I would suggest you not to use any power banks, because the reason for my PS4 controller to stop working is a fast charging power bank. So let us go ahead and mount this docking station to the stand. Well, this would, how does it fit? Well, it slides up like this, and the docking station is ready. Well, this looks like this when you dock it onto the stand, and here you have the two pins through which you could charge your two controllers at the same time. Let's go ahead and connect the USB cable, and according to the manual it says that we need to use a charger which is got an output of 5 volts and the maximum of 2 ampere. Well, I do have a charger here. Let's try to focus. It's from Xiaomi and it says the output is 5 volts at the minimum capacity of 1 ampere, and when it is, yes, it shows here input 100 to 240 volts, 50 volts, and the maximum it supports up to 0.2 ampere. Well, let's connect this to the docking station and see whether it charges my PS4 controller. We've connected the charger and it goes right here. There's a socket at the back of the charging dock. This is where we connect the charger, and we get a blue color light which shows it's on. And let's have this connected. Yes, it starts charging. It shows red when it's in charging, and I guess once it's completely charged it would turn into green or blue. Well, according to the manual, yes, it's right. Micro adapter. Well, let me also connect another PS4 controller and see whether it charges simultaneously. This looks, it's been charged. Oh well, let me try to get another PS4 controller. I have another PS4 controller. Well, both the controllers have been charged completely. So let me just try putting this in the other place and see whether the other light works too. Yes, it works. So this goes to show that the other two controllers have already been charged. Yes, this is completely charged. That is the reason why this light doesn't turn red. Well, I would highly recommend this charging dock for your PS4 controller because it keeps your PS4 controller safe. I would suggest that you either charge your PS4 controller using your USB cable from your PS4, or you could use a docking station, since the USB at the back of your PS4 controller would someday go bad. Well, that is all for today, and I would highly recommend this docking station for your PS4 controller.